Now, my friends, every day during daytime, everyone receives a notification says, time to be real, and 2 minutes left to capture. Let's find out. Of course, you can post as late as me. Now, to view your friends Be Real, click on Post a Late Be Real. This opens up a 2-minute window for you to post a picture of what you are currently doing. For example, I'm in trouble now with my broken phone. Click here to snap. The app uses phone's front cam automatically after you snap. X mark to try again. Down here, you can select your audience, discover for public, or you can select just your friends. From this icon, you can share your location. Now, click Send. Now, as you can see, my BeReal is being published. And now, I can see my friends BeReal. When it's finished, you can click on it to share on social media. By the way, you can switch between the 2 BeReal pictures when you click on it here. Now I got 3 Realmojis here. Click on it to see who interact your BeReal. Here are all Realmojis from people in Discovery. You can click on any Realmojis to see the full picture, or I can view profile. Then I can send a friend request by clicking on Add button. Go back again. Now, how to delete your BeReal picture. From this little 3 dots, here click on it. Then click Options. Here you can remove from Discovery or delete it permanently. I'll choose Cancel. Now scroll down. This is my friend BeReal, and I can see the complete picture by long click on it. And to switch to the front cam, click here. Now, from these images, you can react on this BeReal. Lightning icon React Now. Other samples are present once. Click the laughter icon, capture, then click Continue. Now, click to send. It's simple. You can click here to see all Realmojis. And just on your friend BeReal, you can add a comment. Zoom in, zoom out like Instagram by 2 fingers. Finally, in Friends section, you can remove friendship when you click on your friend's name. Then 3 dots here. As you can see here, share profile, remove, or you can report. Now let's move on to the Add Friend section. Click up here on this icon. From here, I can search for friends. And this is my BeReal invite link. My friends list is down here. Click on Friends and all friend requests are here. I can accept or just delete from X icon. Here you can find out the friends requests that you sent. Click on Send. You can cancel whatever you want. Click on X icon. MXL rows will not see your friend requests anymore and will not be notified. That's nice. Click Delete. Now go back. By the way, a very important thing, does BeReal notify screenshots? Yes. If anyone takes any shot from the BeReal app, you'll eventually be able to know by this little icon here below your BeReal daily picture. The best solution is a screen recording. Then save it. Crop the video or take a screenshot from the recorded video. Now let's move on to the Discovery. This is my favorite section. Here you can make your move. Zoom in, zoom out. Switch to the front cam picture, or you can press a long click to show the full picture. I can react to any BeReal in the Discovery section. Click here. You can react by a present one. Let's set up the laughter icon. Take the shot. Now press Continue. Then click on it to send. Now for lightning or quick react, just you need to release to send. For sure, I can add anyone from Discovery. Just click on their name. Then click Add to send a friend request. For more and more, scroll down. You will find people around you or around the world. You can figure out your friend's precise location by clicking on it here. Tap to see the full screen. Then zoom in as you like. Anyone in Discovery will have an approximate location, not an exact one like a friend. Finally, important things. Go to your profile, click here. Here you can change your profile picture, your name, username, here your memories, and down here is your BeReal profile link. You can click to copy and send it. Now click on View All Memories. Slide to show more and more. From the 3 dots up here, you can delete any picture from memories. Now the important settings, I can deactivate my memories from here and control BeReal notifications from here. Then choose the type of notifications you want to receive. The time zone is very important. You receive time to be real notification according to what I choose here, as described here to receive your BeReal notification during the daytime. And finally, from down here I can log out. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.